coconut oil. If you guys want to know what I use this for and how I use it, keep on watching.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's that time of the night, so I am going to do a nighttime routine, just getting ready for bedtime. So letting you all up in my business. I use cress. This is step one. Okay, step one. And I just put a piece of it right here. I have a surprise to show you what I am going to use. And I got part 2, separate part here. Yeah. And this one is to polish the teeth. And before I was using this, I'll show you what I used to use before. Make sure you wash out that very well. Then I use my mouthwash. I like to use the purple one because purple is keep white stuff white. And if it's looking kind of rough or not too kind of creamish, it gets it white. Because if you bleach your hair and it have grass, to use purple shampoo. So that's how I treat my teeth. And here is a big thing, and what I used to use before I started using that coconut oil. When I finish brush my teeth and everything and put my mouthwash, I use this. This is my personal coconut oil. So I just dip my toothbrush this on the side here and get some like this, like toothpaste. That bring back shine to your teeth. So don't forget your coconut oil. You understand? It's not poison. You can put it in your mouth as well. Or people go around saying, why you must put coconut oil in the mouth, and you drink coconut water and you use coconut milk. coconut oil is good for everything. So I already washed my face. I already washed my face. Yeah. I just put a little warm water on a rag, not hot, warm, and clean it up like this. I don't know, I give you guys who using eyelashes, I salute, because I don't feel like I take a good bath when I want to shower. When I have to wash my face, put on my soap and stuff, and no. So guys, continue watching. I'm going to in the next room and do my face. So yes guys, I'm just going to show you all what I put on my face at night time. I don't use these things all the time. There's a lot of bottles in front of me. I have neem oil, I got rose hip oil. I'm gonna mix just a drip each in this bottle, and that is what I put on my face. That's my oils. I have some aloes I put in this bottle. It was in the fridge. I always keep my aloes in the fridge, and I didn't put it in the blender or anything, and leave it there, let it sit in the strainer, and then I get whatever juice from it. The reason why this is up there because it's 3 aloes I use. Excuse me. Tea tree oil. I put some tea tree in that. Yeah. I have no, that isn't. I have cucumber oil. It's so. Oh yeah, cucumber oil. And this is for my hair, but I'll put that after. I have stuff here just to rub in my hair. So I'm just going to, and I have some olive oil. But I just put a teaspoon inside of here. I should have bring the funnel, but the funnel or funnel, whatever they call it. So I'm going to pour this in here. And I'm good at pouring stuff. Don't worry. That's olive oil there. That's a teaspoon of olive oil. I'm going to put some cucumber oil, cucumber seed oil in here. I'll fill up the vial. Yeah, about that. And then just put it inside of here. Oh, these oils are so good. I forgot to show you. I have some vitamin E oil. I mean, this light is a little too bright. Oh. Let me see. You can see better. Vitamin E oil. I'm going to put some in here. It's for my face, so I don't need a full bottle right now. I got my tea tree oil. Focus, camera, focus. Tea tree oil, I'm going to just take a little because you know that is burn a kind of way. But that is to remove all blackheads and stuff. Anytime you get like blackheads, put a little tea tree oil. I was doing that all the time because this was good. And I have my aloes water. Yeah. Everybody, all of us doing it, but everybody have a different technique, a different way of doing things. This is my aloes that I put. I hope it could go in here. And I just fill it up with aloes water, the oils. Then put a little more. Yeah. So I have my aloes. Wash this bottle very well. But at the end of the day, this bottle is a finishing spray. NYX, so it didn't harm me, but this is for my face right here. And just cover this, and let me show you. I have my witch hazel, this one I use, and I put some apple cider vinegar in it for the toner. And I just put some on the saturated, and I clean the face. A pat. Guys, I don't know how you all do it, but this eyelashes, but this is my third day wearing this, and if this is the way I have to wash my face, put the soap around my face wash and take a rag and wash my face like that, that is not a shower for me. No sir. I getting all up under your eyes and your cool face. Soak it good. Don't forget your neck. Your neck is important. I'll show you how I do a mask for my ears. When I take out my earrings, I mix something and I clean my ear. So I'll show you that too. Anyway, let that dry a little. Soak in. Let that dry. You see, using that all the time, your face will have a natural glow. So I have my eye cream here, which is finishing, and I'm happy that it's finishing. And I bought this firming cream, neck firming cream, on Amazon. You know, so you need to use these things. I know everybody will get old, but at the same time, you could help look when you reach a certain age, like more, you could look a little younger. I am using this with aloe vera. It's a facial spray with aloe vera, cucumber, and green tea. So you see, I use that and I let it soak in a little and dry. Fan my face. I hope, oh my god, the lashes didn't fall out. Right. Yeah, the lighting, I had to fix it. And then I put my eye cream. Just use a little. You don't need much. Don't know how this reached down like that. Maybe I don't know. And you just pat it right around. Pat. You get it all up on the eyes like that. And you could pass it here. Just don't want to touch the eyelashes out. If any one of you using eyelashes, tell me that was the right thing that I did there. Put it over here. I'm not going to put the oils because I really don't want it to run down on my eyelashes, and in the morning I get a bit patchy. Right? And before I use the firming cream, I use, sometimes I just use the aloes oil or the aloes water, whichever oil that say, okay, let me shortcut and do something quick just to go and sleep. I do that. Let me see if it could spray out. If it could spray out, it's good. Wow, it's spraying now. So I just got a little, the aloes is thick. Oh yeah. Just get that in. I can't even steam my face because I'm afraid these eyelashes ain't cutting it, you know. I like how they look, but they ain't cutting it, because if I have to be like 2 weeks, I have to leave this in, and I can't have a lot of things I can't do to my face, and 3 times a week I always do like a facial and stuff, and you all understand what I'm saying. I don't know how to use this eyelashes thing, boy. Rub it up all in your hand. When you see you're dealing with your face, when you're going to clean your face or put on any product on your face, make sure that your hands are clean. Okay? And that's it. Nothing much. Right? I'm going to put this aside. This is for my face. And this is for my face. So what I am going to do is nothing hard. just take my aloes oil, take out some, and this is my hair now. This is what I do every night. Every night. Every night. And I like the middle of my hair. Always love the middle of my hair too. I like to feel that coolness. My hair look rumpled because it's a protective style. So I'm not going to lose it right now. Work it in like this. But what I think is growing my hair even more is this wild growth oil. I have the other one there, so I just take two. This and it have the cream to it. It have a cream. I'll show you next time. But these things, yeah, these things work really good. They have peppermint in it too. So peppermint is very good to open up the hair follicles. Get down in that scalp. Very good. It look rumpled now, and I don't mind because when I'm going to loose it to comb it over, I will see some growth, and it's growing fairly. I'm not in a rush for it to grow. It's taking time, and it's good. I'm happy, right? And I just put my hair bonnet on it, and that's my night routine, guys. If you want to see my morning routine, I'll show you. But I have a lot in store to show you all. And look at my eyelashes. And the oils, I put it on my elbow. I always gravitate to my elbow. My elbow used to be so dark, and look at it now. There's a lot of oils. Oils really work. So guys, that's the end of my video. I'm going to spray my face one more time with this. And I'll be getting up looking just like this, glowing. And one last thing, we have the firming cream. After I finish use the oils, it's a pressy thing like this. So you just press, and you get, rub it all over the neck, forehead, better known as forehead. Rub it up all on my hand, because if it's a firming cream, you know your age, they show in your hand. So oh yeah, it is have your face feeling tight. Well, this is firming, so I already expect Joanne. So that's it. Then I'll put on the oils and everything after. Lip balm. I'll use my Brazilian Kiss. It's all done, but it's okay. I could take my finger and do like this. That's it. That's how I am going to sleep. So I'll say good night. But I ain't finished. But anyway, good night.